you are a social media manager, freelancer, content creator, or someone who wants to start their own social media marketing agency, this video is all you need to watch. And trust me, after this video, you will have so much clarity on which tool to use and which one to skip. So hi, it's me, Srishti. I run a six-figure social media marketing agency named Socially Tai. Now let's just get into the video. So today I'll be suggesting some of my favorite applications that you can use to manage your client's profile end to end, and they are all free, which means that you don't have to spend a lot initially on any of the application and you can start right away. However, some of the apps also offer a paid version, but trust me, if you're just starting out, you're good to go with this free versions as well. Just start with the first category, which will be designing. Here you'll be creating different visuals like carousel, start tag, thumbnail, etc. For this, if you're just starting out, the easiest and the best app I would recommend is Canva. Here you can be as creative as you want. You can choose from templates or design something from scratch as well. It's very easy to use, it's very flexible, and trust me, it's the best app you can start with. Now, once you get your hands on Canva and you want to explore more, then you can go and check out Figma as well. Now coming to the second category, which is my personal favorite, video editing. Now see, if you just have to do simple cut, paste music with some basic transition, then I would suggest InShot or VN. However, I personally like InShot more just because I think it's more beginner friendly. But for you, maybe you can use both of it, play along, and then just see whichever works the best for you. Now everyone on the social media has been going crazy behind talking videos, and I personally feel that the best that anyone can use is CapCut. It's free, and trust me, they have so many features to use from. You just have to explore that app a little bit. You can do literally wonders in that app. You can literally do anything, I feel, at this point. And yes, downloading CapCut is a bit complicated, but it's not rocket science as well. Now coming to third category, which is AI. For this, I'll suggest you two apps, ChatGPT and Claude. But if you are a beginner, I request you to start with ChatGPT. I know everyone on the Instagram and everywhere has been talking about Claude, but just start with ChatGPT. Once you get comfortable using AI, you know how to command, you know how to put prompts, then you can move to Claude. Now coming to the fourth category, which is brain dump. So anytime I have any idea or anything, I just use my simple Apple Notes app and I just dump it there. It's very convenient. I don't like to use any third-party app for this small task. Also, it's connected to all my Apple devices, so no matter what I'm using, MacBook, iPad or iPhone, I just have everything dumped at the very same place. One small tip, do not make brain dumping very complicated or fancy, because brain dumping is something that has to be easy. Like if you are having an idea while you are in gym, or maybe while you are having food or anything, you can just quickly like note it down in your notes app. And if you make it complicated and download any third party app which is very complicated that you need everything to just use it, you might not have that interest to put it there, and you will just be like, okay, let it be. So the easier it is to dump somewhere, the more convenient it will be for you. Now coming to fifth category, which is tracking, content, calendar and admin tasks. Feel free to use spreadsheet. I think it's very convenient to use, and you can actually make it very clean, very neat, and with time you can actually put in more efforts and make it look more organized and more useful. However, you can also use Notion. I know it's been trending all over the internet. Everyone is talking about Notion this, Notion that. But I just feel that using Notion is also a skill. So first start with Google Sheets. It's as good as Notion. If you do not want to complicate things, or just for the sake of Instagram and everything, you don't want it to look just fancy, you can simply start with Google Spreadsheet. It works wonders. But again, once you get your hands on Google Spreadsheet and you want to upskill yourself, then feel free to learn Notion. Now coming to seventh category, which is content planner, invoice or a contract, you can do it simply over Google Doc. Again, very easy to use. We all have used it all our life. You can export the file however you want, PDF or whatsoever. Trust me on this, they are no-brainer app. You don't have to make everything complicated in your life. If you really want to start something, start from here. So yeah, that would be it for today's video. Do let me know if there's any other topic you want me to make a video on. Bye bye.